a big factor in trying to travel anywhere in the state today. Not only the snow on the roads, but the low visibility due to the strong winds blowing that snow and, of course, the snowfall intensity. Look at Dublin right now. Again, the visibility cut way down there. You can see the flag. It is stretched right out, and that means we got winds clocked at 25 to 30 miles per hour. Temperature-wise, well, we've been holding in the upper 20s to around 30. The snow a little bit more wet in nature as you travel south and east of Concord, but it's certainly a dry and fluffy snow to the north and west with our temperatures back into the 20s. Here it is, nor'easter cranking up just east of, say, D.C. early this morning, now pulling right through southeastern parts of New England. That has resulted in enough warm air to change it over to some rain and mixing. As close by as Boston, and that mix line may survive the trip up near the coast in about another hour or two. So you may see a little bit of sleet or hear it bouncing off the windows and the rooftops during the early part of the evening along the shore. Still the blizzard warning in effect. An official blizzard has been met along the coastline. 3 consecutive hours of very strong winds and visibility under a quarter of a mile. Again, that was met between about midday and 3 o'clock this afternoon. Winter storm warnings elsewhere in New Hampshire. You can see what's happening right now. We have 2 areas of very heavy snow. Eastern and northern parts of the state right now, and also down near the coast, and then another batch through upstate New York and northern parts of Vermont. Squeezed in between, a little bit of a dry slot of air trying to fill in, but the snow will tend to fill back in as low pressure pulls on off to the northeast in the next several hours. So even though it does not show up as snow, there's plenty of blowing snow resulting in slick road conditions and the visibility way down under a mile, so it's tough to get around. The best bet, if you can avoid traveling through this evening, that would be your best chance of making it through tonight. You don't want to be on the roads with the low visibility anywhere in New Hampshire. Look at the snow, quite heavy, anywhere from Berlin back through the Mount Washington Valley into the heart of the Lakes region as well. Lighter snows, but still steady snow in the upper valley. The radar, tough to detect some of that sometimes in these big storms in and around the upper valley. It shoots up over the top of that heavy snow. So here it is, low pressure pulling off to the north and east. Look at all the snow as we go through the course of the evening. Heavy in batches, but not everywhere. You will notice these elements of white indicating lighter snows, so snow at varying intensities. And here's that chance of mixing at the coast through about 7, 8, 9 o'clock this evening, and then occasional snow fills back in through about midnight. Right after that time, look at the back edge, pulls quickly away from south to north during the overnight stretch, so that by daybreak tomorrow, even some sunshine developing. Lakes region points south, snow showers across the mountains, and there's a chance of a couple of those flurries or light snow showers making it back down near the coast during the midday and especially during the course of the afternoon. As for snow up north, we could see an additional 2 to 4 inches there during the daylight hours of Wednesday. As for the snow totals out of this storm, I think we're going to find many numbers coming in between around 16, 18, 19, 20 inches with a couple of spots up near 2 feet. Lower amounts due to the wet nature of the snow at the coast, so around a foot or a little bit more there. And then in some of the favored shadowed areas in western New Hampshire, about a foot to a foot and a half. We've had reports of 15 inches in Ossipee, 12 and a half to 13 and a half, depending on where you are in Manchester, and many other spots between about 8 and 13 so far. The winds, big story, 41 mile per hour gust in Laconia, but look at Portsmouth at 52. And you think that's strong in terms of the winds? Look at Mount Washington. Top winds, yeah, they're gusting right now up to 123 miles per hour. Still strong winds, expected to see more power outages over the next, say, few hours, and then we'll start to see the winds gradually diminishing during the overnight stretch. Again, sunshine giving way to clouds south tomorrow with a few flurries, snow showers north, bright for Thursday, Friday, and maybe a bit more snow. Nothing like this as we go through the course of the weekend.